Good afternoon, students. In the last class, we have discussed about the problems based on geometric mean and harmonic mean. Okay. In this class, we will discuss about the problems based on harmonic mean. Okay. Here, the problem number 23. Find harmonic mean of find harmonic mean of 4, 5, 8, 11, 14, 18. Find the harmonic mean of 4, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 18. Okay, here the data are of type ungrouped, because here the class interval with respect to frequencies are not given, only they are given observations x values. Then we have to apply ungrouped data formula, that is HM equal to small n divided by sum of 1 by x. Okay, here solution. Here x values are 4, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 18. 14 and 18. Okay, what is the harmonic mean formula? HM equal to what? HM equal to small n by sum of 1 by x. Small n by sum of 1 by x. Next we want 1 by x, that is the reciprocal of x. Okay, here 1 by x. We want 1 by x. Okay, here 1 by 4 is 0.25, 1 by 5 is 0.2, 1 by 8 is 0.125, next 1 by 11 is 0.0909, next 1 by 14 is 0.0714, next 1 by 18 is 0.055. Okay, then we have to add all the sum. We have to add sum of, we want sum of 1 by x, we have to add 1 by x. Okay, here past one is 0.25 plus 0.2 plus 0.125 plus 0.0909 plus 0.0714 plus 0.055. Then we will get 0.7923. Then we will get 0.7923. Then we have to substitute the values. Okay, here n value is number of observations. Here number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here n is 6. 6 divided by sum of 1 by x is 0.7923. 0.7923. Here 6 divided by 0.7923 is 7.57. 7.57. Okay, is the answer. 7.57 is the answer. Okay, you want the formula, that is ungrouped formula, n divided by small n divided by sum of 1 by x. Next you have to calculate 1 by x reciprocal of x. Here 1 by 4 is 0.25 up to so on. 1 by 18 is 0.055. Then we will get 1 by sum of 10, we will get sum of 1 by x is 0.7923. Then substitute the values, then we will get the answer. Okay, the next problem. Find the harmonic mean for the following data given below. Find the harmonic mean find HM for the following data. For the following data. Okay, here they are given class interval with respect to frequencies. Ci with respect to frequencies, Ci values are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. The next with respect to frequencies are 10, 5, 8, 7 and 4. Calculate the harmonic mean for the following data given below. Okay, here the data are of type continuous case, because here class interval with respect to frequencies are given. Then you have to apply formula HM equal to grouped case formula, HM equal to capital N divided by sum of f by x. HM equal to capital N divided by sum of f by x. Okay, here we want x. Here what is x here? X is the midpoint of the class interval. Class mid value is the x value. Okay, here we have to find x values. Okay, here one more column, here x value, midpoint of the class interval. 0 to 10 mid value is what? 5. 10 to 20, 15, 25, 35 and 45. The next one is we want f by x. Okay, f by x. F by x. Okay, here 10 by 5 is 2. 5 by 15 is 0.333. 8 by 25 is 0.32. The next 7 divided by 35 is 0.2. 4 by 45 is 0.088. Here it is a sum. Here it is a f by x. The next you have to add all the f by x values. Okay, here first one is 2 plus 0.33. Then we will get sum is 2.9418. 2.9418. Sum of f by x is 2.9418. Okay, then substitute the values. Capital N is what? Sum of frequencies. Okay, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23, 30. Plus 7, 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. Here, capital N is 34. Divided by sum of f by x is 2.9418. Okay, then here 34 divided by 2.9418 is 11.55. 11.55. It is the answer. Okay, here HM equal to 11.55. Okay. Here the data are type continuous case. You have to apply continuous formula, that is HM equal to capital N divided by sum of f by x. Okay, you want x value, x is the midpoint of the class interval, that is 0 to 10 is 5, 10 to 20 is 15, up to so on, that is 45. The next you want f by x value. The next f by x, okay, 10 divided by 5 is 2, 5 divided by 15 is 0.333, 8 divided by 25 is 0.32, 7 divided by 35 is 0.2, 4 divided by 45 is 0.0888. Then we will get sum of f by x is 2.9418. Then substitute the value, then we will get the harmonic mean. Okay, the next problem, 25th problem. In a certain factory, a unit of worker is completed by in 5 minutes, by B in 6 minutes, by C in 8 minutes, by D in 9 minutes and by E in 12 minutes. Find the average time to complete the unit of work. Find the average time to complete the work. Okay, in a certain factory, a unit of worker is completed by A in 5 minutes. It takes A in 5 minutes. It takes 5 minutes. By B in 6 minutes. By C in 8 minutes. By D in 9 minutes. And by E in 12 minutes. Find the average time to complete the work. Complete the unit of work. Okay, here we have to calculate. That is harmonic mean. Okay, here what is the use of harmonic mean? That is the average. Okay, here the harmonic mean is used for calculating the average speed. Average speed. Okay, average. Okay, here you have to apply harmonic mean formula. Here they are given x values. Here x values are okay. Here by A in 5 minutes means here first one is 5 minutes. Second one is 6 minutes. third C in 8 minutes, D in 9 minutes, and E in 12 minutes. Okay. The next we have to apply. Okay, it is in the case of ungrouped case. Ungrouped case, then we have to apply HM equal to what? Small n divided by sum of 1 by x. Then we want 1 by x. 1 by x. Okay, here 1 by 5 is 0.2. The next 1 by 6 is 0.166x. The next 1 by 8 is 0.125. 1 by 9 is 0.111. Next 1 by 12 is 0.0833. Okay. Then you have to add all the 1 by x values. Okay. Here first one is 0.2 plus then we will get 0.6859. 0.6859. N is what? 5 equal to 5. Number of observations are 5. 5 divided by 0.6859. Okay, here 5 divided by 0.6859 is 7.28. Here HM equal to what? 7.28. Okay, here find the average time to complete the unit of work is average time is 7.28 minutes. 7.28 minutes. It takes 7.28 minutes. Okay, see here they are given A value is 5, B is 6 and C in 8 minutes, D in 9 minutes and E in 12 minutes. We have to find average time to complete the unit of work. Then these are given, okay, they are given x values. X values are 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 9 and 12. You have to apply, that is harmonic mean formula, that is n by sum of 1 by x. Then substitute the values, then you will get the answer. Okay. The next 26th problem. Here 26th problem, a cyclist covers his first 2 miles at a speed 5 miles per hour, another 2 miles at miles per hour and the last 2 miles at 3 miles per hour. Find the average speed for entire journey. See here a cyclist covers his first 2 miles at a speed of 5 miles per hour, another 2 miles at 4 miles per hour, at 4 miles per hour and the last 2 miles at 3 miles per hour. Find the average speed for entire journey. Last 2 miles at 3 miles per hour. Okay. See here a cyclist covers his first 2 miles at a speed of 5 miles per hour and another 2 miles at 4 miles per hour and the last 2 miles at 3 miles per hour. Find the average speed for entire journey. Okay, it is homework. Okay, here they are given x value, it is same. It is also in the case of discrete, that is ungrouped case. It is a ungrouped case. We have to apply h equal to small n divided by sum of 1 by x. Okay, x values are 5, 4, 3, 3. Okay, then we have to calculate 1 by x, then substitute the values, then we will get the answer. Okay, the next 27th problem. It is homework. Okay, 27th problem. For the values 1 to 8, for the values 1 to 8 and 16, show that AM is greater than GM is greater than HM. Okay, here find for the values 1 to 8 and 16, show that arithmetic mean is greater than GM is greater than HM. Okay, here Which relation it is? The relationship among mean, median, mode is what? The relationship between mean, median, mode is what? Mode equal to 3m minus 2x bar. Okay, here the next, the relationship among arithmetic mean, geometric mean and HM is J equal to under root of x bar into HM. Okay, here we have to show that arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean is greater than HM. Okay, here they are given x values. X values are 1, 2, 8 and 16. Here they are given x values 1, 2, 8 and 16. Okay, here we have to calculate x bar value. X bar equal to what? Sum of x by n. The next GM. GM equal to what? Formula, which formula you have to apply? Here the data are of type ungrouped case. Then GM equal to what? Antilog of sum of log x by n. The next harmonic mean formula HM equal to n divided by sum of 1 by x. HM equal to small n divided by 1 by x. Okay, here we want sum of x. Okay, next GM you have to find log x value. The next in harmonic mean you want 1 by x. Okay, here first we have to find log x. Okay, here log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. The next log 2 is 0.3010. 0.3010. The next log 8 is 0.9030. The next log 6 is 0.7781. Okay, then you have to add all these values. Okay, here 0.3010 plus 0.9030 plus 0.7781, then you will get 1.9821. The next you want 1 by sum of 1 by x. Okay, here 1 by 1 is 1, 1 by 2 is 0.5, 1 by 2, sorry, okay, 2 by, okay, here 1 by 1 is 1, okay, 2 by 2, x value is 2, okay, 1 by 2 is 0.5, the next 1 by 8 is 0.125, next 1 by 6 is 0.1666, then we have to add all these values. Okay, 1 plus 0.5 is 1.5 plus 0.125 plus 0.1666. Okay, then you will get 1.7916, 1.7916. Then substitute the values. Okay, here you want sum of x. Sum of x is what? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17. Okay, here n is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are totally 4 observations are there. Then substitute the values. 17 by 4. 17 by 4 is 4.25. X bar equal to 4.25. Then next antilog of sum of log x is 1.9821 divided by 3. The next antilog of 1.9821 divided by 3 is 0.6607. Okay, antilog of this is 4. See here 1.9821 divided by 4 n is 4 here, n is 4 divided by 4 is 0.49 0.4955. Okay, antilog of this is 3.12 here GM equal to 3.12. The next HM is n equal to 4. Sum of 1 by x is 1.7916. 4 divided by 1.7916 is 2.23. HM equal to what? 2.23. See, listen. Here you want x, AM is greater than GM is greater than HM. Okay, here AM is greater than GM is greater than HM. Show that AM is greater than GM is greater than HM. AM value is what? 4.25 is greater than 3.212 is greater than 2.23. Hence, it proved. Here 4.2 is greater than 3.12 is greater than 2.23. It is always arithmetic mean is always greater than GM. GM is always greater than HM. Okay, it's complete your harmonic mean. Okay, the next. Okay, we shall start partition values. Partition values. Partition value is also called as measures of position. Partition values is also called as measures of position. Okay. Partition values. It is also called as measures of position. Measures of position. Okay. Tell me what is a partition? Okay, partition means divided. Okay, here what are the partition values is also called as measures of position. Okay, what is a partition values? Okay, measures which divides a given data into equal parts. Measures which divides a given data into equal parts. See, what is the partition value of measures which divides a given value or data given value into equal parts. Given value or data into equal parts is said to be partition values. Okay, here the whole frequency distributions can be divided into two equal parts. Equal parts into equal parts, not two, it is equal parts, then it is said to be partition values. Whole the frequencies can be divided into equal parts, then it is said to be, suppose if there are 10 parts, then it can be divided into 2 each up to 5 times, 2 5 is 10. Okay, suppose if it is 20 means 2 up to 10 times, otherwise 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, here measures which divides a given data into equal parts. Given data into equal parts, then it is said to be partition values or measures of position. Okay, the next types of partition values. Types of partition values. Types of partition values. There are totally 4 types of partition values are there. The one is quartiles. Second one is median. Third one is deciles, and fourth one is percentiles. There totally 4 measures are there. There totally 4 partition values are there. One is quartiles, second one is median, third one is deciles, and last one is percentile. Okay, here the first one is quartile. Okay, what is a quartile? Here first one is quartile. What is quartile? Quarter. Okay, quartile, that is 1/4 is said to be quarter. That is quartile. Okay, measures which divides the given data into 4 equal parts. Measures which divides the given data into given data into 4 equal parts. Okay, what is the quartile? Measures which divides the given data into 4 equal parts, which divides the given data into 4 equal parts, then it is said to be quartiles. Okay, here there totally 3 quartiles are there. There are 3 quartiles are there which divide the okay, there totally 3 quartiles are there which divide the given data into 4 equal parts. There are totally 3 quartiles are there. They are Q1, Q2 and Q3. There are totally 3 quartiles are there which divides the data into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Okay, here Q1 is lower quartile. Q1 is said to be lower quartile. Q1 is said to be lower quartile or first quartile. Or first quartile, which divides the data into data in the ratio 1:3. See here, what is the Q1? Q1 is said to be lower quartile or first quartile, which divides the data in the ratio 1:3. That is Q1, and Q2 is a median. Q2 is median. The next Q3 is upper quartile. Or third quartile which divides the data in the ratio in the ratio 3:1. Okay, here Q1 is lower quartile or first quartile which divides the data in the ratio 1:3. Q2 is a median, that is middle. Q3 is upper quartile or first quartile, third quartile, which divides the data in the ratio 3:1. It is the quartile. What is the quartile? Measures which divides the given data into 4 equal parts. Measures which divides the given data into 4 equal parts, then it is said to be quartile. There are totally 3 quartiles are there, okay, which divides the given data into 4 equal parts. There are totally 3 quartiles are there which divides the given data into 4 equal parts. They are Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, quartiles are Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay, here Q1 is the lower quartile or first quartile which divides the given data in the ratio 1:3, and Q2 is the median, that is middle value, and Q3 is upper quartile or first quartile which divides the given data in the ratio 3:1. It is the quartile. Okay, the next one is median. Next concept is median. What is a median? Median. What is a median? A measures which divides the given data into 2 equal parts. Measures which divides the given data into 2 equal parts. Median means middle. It is same as median. Okay, here median measures which divides the given data into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts is said to be median. Measures which divides the given data into 2 equal parts, then it is said to be median. Okay, here the second quartile is same as a median. The second quartile Q2 is same as a median. Okay, which divides the given data into 2 equal parts, then it is said to be median. The next one is decile. Next concept is decile. Next partition value is decile. Third one. What is a decile? Decile means 10. Okay, here measures which divides the given data into 10 equal parts. Measures which divides the given data into 10 equal parts, then it is said to be decile. Measures which divides the given data into 10 equal parts, then it is said to be decile. Measures which divides the given data into 10 equal parts, then it is said to be median. Okay, here there totally 9 deciles are there. There totally 9 deciles are there. That is D1, D2, D3 up to so on D9. There are 9 deciles are there which divides the given data into 10 equal parts. There are 9 deciles are there which divides the given data into 10 equal parts. Okay, here the deciles are, the 9 deciles are D1, D2, D3 up to so on Dn. Okay, here D1 is the first decile, second decile, third decile up to so on 9th decile. There are totally 9 deciles are there which divides the given data into 10 equal parts. It is the decile. Okay, here 50th decile is same as, sorry, 5th decile is same as 5th decile is same as, see here 5th decile means what? That is D5. Here 5th decile is nothing but what? D5. Okay, here 5th decile is same as what? Okay, 5th decile is same as Q2. It is same as Q2. Second, that is second quartile. 5th decile is same as Q2. Median. 5th decile is same as median. It is about decile. What is decile? Measures which divides the given data into 10 equal parts, and then it is said to be decile. There are totally 9 deciles are there which divides the given data into 10 equal parts. The 9 deciles are D1, D2, D3 up to so on D9. Here the 5th decile is same as Q2. D5 equal to Q2. Suppose if D5 is 6, then Q2 is also 6. Suppose if D5 is 6, Q2 is also 6. Okay. The next last partition value is percentile. Last one is percentile. Percentile. Okay, percentile means what? Percentage. Okay, percentage, that is 100. Okay, here what is the percentile? Measures which divides the given data into 100 equal parts. See, measures which divides the given data into 100 equal parts, then it is said to be percentile. Okay, there are 99 percentiles are there. There are 99 percentiles are there which divides the given data into 100 equal parts. There are 99 percentiles are there which divides the given data into 100 equal parts. Okay, here 99 percentiles. Okay, here see P1, P2, P3, P4 up to so on P99. There are 99 percentiles are there which divides the given data into 100 equal parts. Which divides the given data into 100 equal parts, then it is said to be a percentile. Okay, see here 25th percentile is same as 25th percentile is same as Q1. 25th percentile is same as Q1. 50th percentile is same as 50th percentile is same as Q2. The next 75th percentile is same as Q3. Okay, here 25th percentile is same as Q1, that is first quartile. 50th percentile is same as Q2 and 75th percentile is same as Q3. It is nothing but here P 25th percentile is same as Q1. P 50th percentile is same as Q2. P 75th percentile is same as Q3. Here 25th percentile is first quartile, 50th percentile is second quartile and 75th percentile is same as third quartile. Okay, these are the measures of positions or partition values. Okay, once again, what is a partition value? Here a measures which divides the given data into equal parts. A measures which divides the given data into equal parts, then it is said to be partition values. There are totally 4 partition values are there. One is quartile, second median, third one is decile and fourth one is percentile. Okay, here the first partition value is quartile. Okay, here a measures which divides the given data into 4 equal parts, then it is said to be quartiles. There are totally 3 quartiles are there, Q1, Q2 and Q3, which divides the given data into 4 equal parts. Q1 is the first quartile or lower quartile, Q2 is the middle, that is median, Q3 is the upper quartile or upper quartile or third quartile. Okay, the next second one is median. Okay, a measures which divides the given data into 2 equal parts, then it is said to be median, 2 equal parts. The next decile, decile means 10. Okay, here what is a decile? A measures which divides the given data into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts, then it is said to be deciles. There are totally 9 deciles are there. It is denoted by, they are denoted by D1, D2, D3 up to so on D9, which divides the given data into 10 equal parts. Okay, here in decile, 5th decile is same as D5 equal to Q2. 5th decile is same as second quartile, that is Q2. Okay, the next last one is percentile. What is a percentile? Measures which divides the given data into 100 equal parts. Measures which divides the given data into 100 equal parts, then it is said to be percentile. There are totally 99 percentiles are there, which divides the given data into 100 equal parts. Okay, here they are P1, P2, P3 up to so on P99. Okay, here 25th percentile is same as first quartile, 50th percentile is same as Q2, that is second quartile, 75th percentile is same as Q3, that is third quartile. Okay, it is about partition values and types of partition values. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the calculation of partition values. Okay, thank you.